How to add Gcash on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Gcash on Shopee. First, open your Shopee account on your device. Then click on the cart icon. If any product is already in your cart, you can purchase it with Gcash, or you can select any product you want to order using Gcash. After selecting the product, click on Buy Now. Now, click on Checkout. From here, you will find the option for payment methods. You can add Gcash as your payment method. Then, place your order using Gcash. So that is exactly how you can add Gcash on Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.